यूजुअली ओसी पिल्स हम लोग 40s में और 50s में नहीं प्रिफर करते बिकॉज उसमें हॉर्मोन्स होते हैं और दैट माइट इंक्रीज द चांस ऑफ स्ट्रोक. सो देयर वी कैन गिव ओनली प्रोजेस्टेरॉन pills. Estrogen is usually not preferred. And these pills might also help you in relieving some of your post-menopausal or perimenopausal symptoms. So Nimaya is not only about babies, it's also about how to not get a baby at the wrong time. So we have lots of girls walking in, older women walking in and telling me that बच्चा हो गया, अब नहीं चाहिए, and then abortions and stuff like that. So how not to get pregnant and still enjoy a healthy sexual life? So let's do this in stages, right from late teenage to 20s, 30s, 40s and 50s. So as soon as you start getting menses, that's around 13 to 14 years of age, technically you can always have a child if you have unprotected sex. So the best form of contraception या जिससे आपको बच्चा नहीं होगा at in late teenage, that is 15 to 25 years of age, till आपकी शादी नहीं होती है, is condom. In fact, condom is the best form of contraception at any age, right from 15 to 50. Because apart from being protective against babies, it will also protect you against sexually transmitted diseases, which is very, very important for your future childbearing. The second is oral contraceptive pills. Pills contain estrogen, progesterone, जो गोलियां बोलते हैं, जो 21 डेज की टैबलेट्स आती है, हार्मोनल पिल्स, विच एवरीबडी, मतलब सब लोग हमें डराते हैं कि ये टैबलेट नहीं लेनी चाहिए, इससे बच्चा नहीं होगा. एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. After condoms, see, condoms have a 85% success rate, 15% chance of breakage, of having an accidental pregnancy. Whereas hormonal pills or oral contraceptive pills, OC pills, Femilon, Mala-D, all those pills, they give you a 99.9% protection against pregnancy. The only problem is आपको हर रोज एक गोली लेनी है रात को सोते वक्त for 21 days. आप ये 21 दिन बंद करोगे, उसके बाद आपको पीरियड आएगा, पीरियड के सेकेंड डे से फिर से ये गोली चालू करनी है. So OC pills are very safe in your 20s and your 30s and in teenagers as well. OC pills do not cause infertility in the future. Many OC pills are there. Most of the OC pills do not even cause weight gain. But OC pills cannot be taken by people who are heavy smokers, who have a history of stroke, hypertension, diabetes, and also if they forget in between. So it depends. Like हर रोज रात को गोली लेनी है, so that has to be kept in mind. If you forget your pills, you might just get pregnant. If you forget your pills, you might get breakthrough bleeding. And some pills also lead to weight gain. Sometimes people with depression and migraines ये लोग pills नहीं ले सकते. So the third form of contraceptive is the intrauterine device, which is the hormonal, non-hormonal, and also implants. So these type of contraception in the US, they use even the teenagers and the early young adults before marriage or before starting childbearing. They can use these this kind of contraception. So in your late 20s and 30s, once you have a single child, here in India we prefer putting a copper T or using a intrauterine device after one child. Because sometimes intrauterine devices, they do not prevent sexually transmitted diseases. They might lead to blocked tubes sometimes. And here in India, people usually don't want to put things inserted into their uteruses before marriage. So that's some cultural difference which we have from the West. And we usually prefer copper T or intrauterine device after a single child. So this is स्ट्रेस फ्री. एक बार आपने डाल दिया, इससे कभी वेट नहीं गेन होता. लॉट ऑफ पीपल से कॉपर टी डालने से बहुत मोटे होते हैं. मोटे सिर्फ खाने से होते हैं, कॉपर टी से नहीं होते. सो बेसिकली यू हैव टू गेट थिंग्स राइट. कॉपर टी इज वेरी सेफ. यू कैन यूज इट फॉर 10 years एट अ स्ट्रेच. यू डोंट इवन हैव टू शो योर डॉक्टर एनी टाइम. You can have unprotected sex. It is 99% effective. Some people are not eligible for copper T, like people who have heavy bleeding. They would not want a copper T to be inserted, and they can go for Mirena, or that's a hormonal copper T. Sometimes implants can also be inserted, which will help against contraception. What at 38 to 45? Permanent sterilization is another method of contraception in which we do a laparoscopy or a small open surgery, और आपके ट्यूब्स हम क्लिप करते हैं. उसको हिंदी में आधा ऑपरेशन भी बोलते हैं. So that is you clip your tubes, and this is usually a reversible process. अगर आपको कल जाके बच्चा चाहिए तो हम लोग laparoscopically ट्यूब्स हम जोड़ सकते हैं, और आप IVF भी करवा सकते हो. So it's always reversible, but it's a kind of permanent method in which you have a small stitch on your umbilicus and you do a permanent method of contraception. Because उसमें hormones होते हैं, और that might increase the chance of stroke. So after 40, if you are on oral, so there we can give only progesterone pills. Estrogen is usually not preferred. And these pills might also help you in relieving some of your post-menopausal or perimenopausal symptoms. So to summarize, early 20s, go for condoms or oral contraceptive pills. In your 20s and 30s, the best is oral contraceptive pills and intrauterine devices or implants or vaginal rings. Late 30s and 40s, IUDs or permanent sterilization. Thank you.